Using Helium to get automatic AI news summaries of your favorite stocks, ETFs, and digital assets. To set your tickers of interest, click on the Account button. Then, click on the Stocks Digital Assets pane. You can see here that I've added tickers for Apple, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Nvidia, Tesla, 10x Genomics, and a VIX ETF. Add as many tickers as you'd like, then click the Save button. Now, every Wednesday morning when you receive the Helium Weekly Movers email, you will see your My Custom Ticker summary at the top. Helium automatically scrapes relevant content about your tickers of interest from across the web and synthesizes them into a concise, easy to understand summary. It allows you to see the bigger picture and take the most prudent actions. You can click on ticker symbol to see more AI news analysis and daily updated forecasts. Interested in going deeper? Use the Helium search box to get daily updated news summaries for any ticker symbol or search query. For example, if I wanted to learn more about decentralized crypto exchanges, Helium's balanced news summaries and analysis are just a click away. Nothing in this video constitutes investment advice, performance data, or any recommendations. Helium is not responsible in any way for the accuracy of any model predictions or price data. Helium trades is for informational purposes only and not responsible for any of your investment decisions.